Hi, today I'm going to show you how I installed a bidet and I don't have to use any more toilet paper. As long as I got running water, right? No more toilet paper? That's cool, huh? It's like I was always find it peculiar that, gosh, I gotta go buy this toilet paper, spend all the money on it, and then I flush that money down the toilet. Boom. Oh, right. So what I did is I installed a bidet, and here we go. Gosh, I think I'm gonna have to get a little bit more light back there. And so um, it doesn't take very long. I think it took me, well, that's only because I had plumber experiences. I do plumbing, electrical stuff. So back down there, oh, I can use a broom back there, but you can see the faucet where the water comes in. And so you'll turn that off. And then you'll flush your toilet. And then your bidet is going to come with all the pieces that you need to take this fitting off here. So you'll take that fitting off. That once you flush the toilet, you're going to want a cup or a bowl or something to catch whatever water's remaining in the tank. You can also put a towel in the tank just to keep it from dribbling, so it dry up the inside of the tank. So you'll take that initial fitting off up there, and then you're going to have this T that's going to come with your kit. And so you'll just screw all those pieces back together, and then that line's going to run up into here, up, and it's going to hook up to here. And you can see that there. And so then you'll have this piece here, that's your knobby jobby. And so that's going to, you'll be able to adjust it back and forth. So I'm going to show you how that thing looks. And what it does here. So your toilet lid will come off. So you got your screws, got a screw here on either side, and then underneath you got to kind of hold that nut underneath. You get a screwdriver, flathead, or Phillips, whatever, and you screw that off. And so this plate will go on there, and then you'll have this here. And so when you turn all your water back on, your tank will fill up, and you got this thing here, and you will watch what it does. Whoa! I think it squirted my phone. You can see. Yeah, it's kind of like someone's on behind there with a pressure hose, and you just turn around, and he goes, "Hello," and he squirts you. So this little thing comes out right there, and it can get. So you can get the front and you can get the back, but it makes a mess. So it's not that hard to install, and you won't have to spend any more money on toilet paper. I just find that so weird, man. We gotta go spend money. Why don't we just put dollar bills on the toilet paper when we put them up there? Now this has been empty for a long time. I keep it there for a souvenir. Remembering, yeah, you used to have dollar signs on those papers. And so, yeah, I'm one of those guys that try to cut. I cut back everywhere I can. I'm on disability. And so that's my only income. And so, yeah, I had a problem flushing money down the toilet. So I got a little innovative. So it's something that's, I think that the average person, not even necessarily the average person could do, just follow the directions. It's very simple plumbing, nothing complicated. Just follow step by step. First, you turn off the water. Down there where the water comes up to the tank, make sure that's off. And then you're going to want to flush your toilet so it drains the tank as much as possible. Going to get a container or something to, when you take that fitting off from down there, you're going to want to get something to catch the water and unscrew the fittings. They look like hand fit. I think I would just use my hands, but get a pair of pliers just to keep that handy and get them all nice and snug. But you're going to want to put that plumber's tape. It's a white plumber's tape. So wherever you're going to connect the fitting, put the white plumber's tape on there, and go along with the threads. So the threads are turning. You're going to go caulk. My phone got all wet. Excuse me, you got to get the water off there. And so you're going to want to go with the threads. And so so you're gonna go with the threads and then turn it on, screw it on, and so that works really good. And so no more money, right? Being flushed. It's the same thing, right? Think about what's happening. You go spend money on paper to flush the paper money now. It's now money. It's now money down the toilet. I don't use any tissue, no wipes, no, haven't for over 3 years. So what I do is so when I go to dry, I use these corn cobs. Corn cobs. Get them at the dollar store. My hand doesn't go below the ring of the commode. Corn cobs. And sanitize those on occasion. I just use them to dry. So this power sprayer, I call it power sprayer because it can hurt you. I mean, you'll go, what the? That's a little, but you can adjust it to the, whatever, pressure you want. So, and you'll never have to put your hand with paper in it down there again, right? And so, much more sanitary in my opinion. And using those corn cobs, it's like a towel, and it just dries it. And I put it in a dry area so it dries, and by the time I go to use it the next time, my corn cobs are all dry and ready to go again. And I sanitize them from time to time, but it's just for water, like a towel. I mean, how many times you ever taken a shower and then use the same towel and you're all clean, right? It's just water. You hang it up to dry and then use it next time. Same thing with the corn cobs, right? And so there you go. How to install a bidet and why you should, right? Stop flushing that money down the toilet. Oh my gosh. Well, you have a nice day and please subscribe. That'd be awful humble and kind of you. And you have a good day. Bye now.